Hello friends, today I am going to make ginger salad. So let's start. Ingredients for the dish are as follows. First, we will start by peeling the ginger. Now, cut the ginger as shown. Slice the ginger as shown. Wash the ginger. Add drinking water. Add sugar to taste. Add salt. Add vinegar. Dissolve the sugar and salt by stirring. Add sliced red chilies. Place the sliced ginger in a container. Add the mixture that we prepared. This ginger salad can be stored in fridge for 2 weeks. Eat and enjoy! Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe. Salad and Food. Thank you. See you in the next recipe.